Exactly. Come on, balls.
But I'm not getting anything else now. That's it. I didn't even get one extra.
It's like a $3. Hey, but you know what? Every 50-cent spin, it's worth it.
You know what? That's
$4 on a fit. Yeah, we'll take it. We'll get another one.
10 more spins. It'll make it up to me.
Exactly. Come on, one more. Yes. All right.
Now something better.
Yeah. Hey, we're starting off better already.
Exactly. It's more than I had the last
It's already like $7, so. All right, 3 more. Come on.
Come on.
Let's do it.
Drop that 750 I saw spinning in the pot. Come on. All right.
It's all right.
Bought us some more spins.
That's it.
Plus it sounds good.
Yeah, exactly. Hey, $11.50.
I mean, seriously, we're starting at 20 bucks.
Yeah, exactly, and it's 70 bucks. Come on, one more. Ah, there you go. Either get that hold and spin or get 200 wilds.
You pick it.
I get to pick
You
it?
get to pick it. Pressure's on.
All right, come on. Be good, be good. All right, 200 wilds added though. That could be pretty good. There you go, just like that. Hey, if you're gonna give free spins that make a difference.
What do we got here? Should we tap it out and see what we got?
Sure, why not? Oh, $38 on the first spin. Come on.
That's the way to do it.
One more, give one more, just like that. Oh, there you go. A few little dollar line hits.
See?
46 bucks already. Come on.
That was more than the last bonus.
Yeah. Oh, look, another one. Come on, Wild. Stay out there. Come on, come on. All right, all right, all right. Hey, not bad. $52. I'll take that. Made it to 120. All right, come on. Do that house thing again.
I'm tempted to up the bet, but I don't want to undo all the good
Yeah,
stuff,
sometimes upping the bet makes it lose.
Yeah. See,
Yeah.
that's just it. I hate to, if it's on a roll.
Yeah, if you're losing, I'd rather lose it 50 cents than lose it $1 or $1.50.
And if I'm making this kind of return, I'm
Yeah. Yeah, I'll take that. I'll take those type of hits all day. Come on, game. Do it again. Come on.
Come on. Let's keep the love going.
That's it. Come on, some big balls.
We like big balls.
Big balls are where it's at. Oh, that minor just went by.
It's in there. It's wanting. It's wanting to come out.
Come on. Ah,
Damn.
one ball. I'm a little Taj Mahal or whatever you're supposed to be.
Sahara love.
That's it. We're not giving us all back, game. Time to hit something now. Or we're done with you.
And it would miss us if we left.
Right? Come on. One more.
Prove to us the major's winnable.
Yeah, exactly.
On the major the last time we was here. On that one? I hit it
Yeah,
twice
that's one of my
last
favorites.
year. Twice in one weekend. Oh, that was good. Yeah, it was. And it was at 800. That was real good. What's paying for this trip?
Yeah, exactly. Ah, nice little hold and spin. All right, game. 3 more. Ah. All right, game. Hit something. That might have been enough for you. Earned one more spin.
Alright, we're gonna up that for a minute. Come on.
Few at 2 cents. See if it'll actually work.
Exactly.
Come on, Geek. Give it one bonus like this.
Seriously, just let us see what it's like.
Yeah, exactly.
Just curiosity.
Missed it by 1. Come on. Come on. There you go.
Try this. You gotta
All right,
pick
it's
it
all
again.
you. I get to pick it this
You get
time?
to pick it again, man.
Nah, man. Makes me nervous. All right, game.
That way if it sucks though, it's not my fault.
Right? Yeah. All right, we're gonna go with the first one this time. Maybe the good luck will switch to that box. Come on. Come on, do it again. All right, it's 100. Not as much as 2, but
It's alright.
it's better than 25.
Exactly.
All right, game. Come on. One good hit. And at least now it's 2 cents, so. Come on, game. Now with a better symbol. Ah, come on.
Come on, one more shot.
That's it. I want to make this one count. Come on, camels.
Yeah, it's just teasing us.
Yeah.
Come on, I saw a miner go by. Land on us. Come on.
I should have stayed on that game. Come on. Alright. Decent little spin. $7.
Take that. Bought us a few more spins.
Yeah, exactly. We're keeping you around $100 game, so.
Still at 5 times my initial investment. I'll
Exactly.
take it.
Come on. Alright, nice little spin. Oh man, I got up at the wrong time.
One never knows.
Yeah, I got back to my even money, so I'll take it. It's nice to win, but I hate losing anymore.
Alright, we're ready for some love.
That's it, I know. You're down to 103. It's 3 more spins game. Come on, hit one. One more. Ah, look at that. Right at $100.24. That was your last one game. Now make this one count. I sucked at the last pick, so.
I'm going with the left again. Though,
All right, we could do that. Come on, game.
Hold and spin. Come on.
Yes. All right.
Let's do it.
Those are $1. Come on. Big numbers.
How about any numbers?
Yeah, like one of the minors or a mini. Come on, come on.
Really?
You got one more shot. Hit one. There you go. All right. Oh, there you go. 20 bucks. There you go. Come on. Fill it up.
Going back to this machine?
Nah, that's all you.
Try.
Give it a whirl.
Feeling it on that one.
Yeah. Hey, that dolphin. And the dolphin's got a decent progressive. So, I mean, 812 for the majors getting up there. Come on, balls. All right. Well, that's not a bad hold and spin.
It's going to get us back up with some playing money.
Right. Yeah, we'll take that. All right, $31.
Not bad.
Come on, do it again.
And now that it's opened up, it's feeling
Right?
good.
Yeah, we'll take it. Little at a time. Come on.
I'll take a steady increase.
Yeah,
It doesn't have
exactly.
to be a blowout.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm entertained. That's why I'm here.
Come on, come on. Ah, thought we were gonna get that third one
I
again.
really did. We had so many
Yeah, there it
chances.
is right there. One spin too late. Come on, come on, come on. Ah,
Really? Rude.
get it. Come on, balls.
Oh, come on.
Come on,
seriously?
come on, one more. Ah. Come on, come on, come on. Ah, it's twice. All right, give the house then.
This is painful.
two times the 5 and then 2 times the 2 of the Taj Mahals. Come on.
The near misses are much more painful.
I know. Ah, hit it with that. Ah,
Really?
a $50 one.
Really? That's just wrong.
Come on. Lightning Link, be nice. Come on. Ah, it was right there.
Come on now. You're just, you know.
All right, that's not bad. 12 bucks. Come on, come on, come on. Ah,
We haven't hit it.
yeah, nope,
hard,
nope.
do.
Yeah, something big, like that last one. Come on, come on. Makes so much noise for that.
Right.
For 60 cents. All right, a little something. Come on, come on. Ah, really?
Seriously.
That second batch. All right, I'll take that right after it. Almost $6. Ah, come on, game.
It's just being cruel.
Yeah, no more teasing. Let's go. Come on. It's giving a lot of wilds. Let's just fill the last 4 rows with them.
Okay, come on. We're due.
Yeah, we're almost back down to our $100.
I feel like I'm dating.
Yeah. Come on, come on.
I'm gonna jack it up for a second.
It's a game. Come on. Do it now. Now when we're back down to $100. Come on.
Alright, we're gonna switch back.
Back to 1 cent. Come on, come on. Alright. Take some camels. Come on, yes.
Thank you. Ah. Alright, drop a major on this one.
Yeah, exactly. A quick 516. I've seen him hit that low. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. One at a time. We'll take one
You
at a
can
time.
come as slow as it wants.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Take that.
Another
So
10.
that's-
Yeah, so it's $20 already.
And a 50-cent spin, really?
Right. Come on.
Make that much money at work.
Right. I know, this casino's been pretty good. Annette's on the other side over there killing it.
She's killing it. All right, come on.
Yes, so thank you, Orleans, for this.
Yes. Orleans is top of them all so far.
Let's go. Drop a major and really make it. Earn that. Come on.
All right, come on now.
Come on. Come on. One. Ah.
That's all right.
All right, we'll take it.
Buys us some more
Right.
time.
They're not all 50-cent ones. All right, I'll take it.
It's not a bad
$30.
payment for 10 minutes work.
Ah.
I mean, you know,
And it's between $100 and $130. That's exactly where it's been the entire time.
off 20.
Right. We'll sit here all day for
Yeah,
that.
exactly. It's not like I dropped $100 in the beginning.
Exactly. Come on. Come on.
Oh, you're over here.
Yeah, we moved over.
Put in 20.
Yeah, I was all that was for 20.
How'd you do? About the
I
same.
give it all back. But
Uh,
it was $20. That's all it was.
yeah. Entertainment for free.
See, that's a hell of a lot of entertainment for 20 bucks.
I love my name. Is there a locket up here?
There,
Over here
there
somewhere?
is, but I think it's on the other side.
What's a good progressive that you don't? Oh, you're filming.
It's all right.
My voice on here.
Why, they could hear you. You'll get to watch it back later
What's a good,
when I upload it.
What's a good progressive that you don't have to get max?
That Firelink. That Firelink game. Oh, there you go. Come on. That Firelink game you were playing that we walked by.
Firelink? Where is it at?
The one that, remember we walked by Darci and said, oh, I want to come.
Back that way.
When,
But it's far that way.
it's kind of halfway in between where we came in and here.
No, I want to stay in this area for now.
Pop it, Darcy. Pop it. Pop it. Pop it.
Come on.
Pop it.
Fill it up. Let's hit
Go for
that.
major. Go for major. There you go. Pop it.
Hey, 3 more for a
Ooh,
grand.
that mini's down there in the bottom
This
corner.
one's empty, though.
Yeah, you can tell. Oh, it's back in there. Come on, come on. All right, last one. Hit one. Just one. We won't get greedy. Just hit one right now.
Pop.
Ah,
It's all right. Keeps us
it's all right.
going.
We'll keep going. That lady's killing it behind us.
Besides, the sound effects
88
are
cent
phenomenal.
bet. Yeah. Yeah, I like the way lightning link sounds. All right. $11. We'll take 11 more.
Not bad for 3 minutes time investment.
Exactly. Come on, come on. Ah, it would have been nice back to back.
Wouldn't that?
Come on, come on. Yes.
Right.
With a 750.
You know, I'm 50 cents.
Right.
Seriously, there's
I'll take
no
it all
other
day.
game that pays
I'll
this.
take it all day. Hey, it makes good entertainment. It's an 18-minute video already of winning.
And I mean, how many bonuses in that
Right.
time, right? What are we up to, like 8?
There's your big bonus title. Come on.
Exactly.
Earn your title. Earn your title. Come on.
There was a 50 over there.
Yeah, come on. Come on. Keep going. Keep going.
Beautiful. Come on.
Come on, balls.
I saw a miner over there.
Yeah, that miner's been going on. Yeah, it's been nonstop. Oh, come on. It's an 18-minute video already of winning. Come on. Come on. Oh, Minnie, come on.
Come on, Major.
Now
Come on,
hit
Major.
minor or major. Or 2 more. Or we'll just take 2 more.
Nothing in there.
Come on. That miner went by. Uh-oh.
I don't think there's anything
There it
in
is.
this one. Let's see.
$10,000. Come on.
Nothing in it.
I want to see a live. I want to see a live grand.
So do I, baby. So do
I'll
I.
hit it again.
A live $10,000 hit at the Orleans.
Nothing
Let's
in
do
that
it.
one.
Doesn't that, you can't say
Yeah.
that.
Usually when there's nothing in it though from
There's
the get-go,
nothing
it
in it.
doesn't show up.
Really?
Usually you'll see it. You'll see it over and over
That's
and
right.
then
This
it'll
one's
wind up
not
in it.
bad. This one's,
No. Another 14-ball bonus.
So this is the question though. Do we bump back up to 2 cents or do we keep it on this roll?
I don't
I would say
know.
the $1 million question
Right.
is not quite there, but
I don't know. It's paying just as much on the 1 cent as the 2 cent.
you know what it really is? And actually the times when I've hit the major,
It's all
been on
1 cent.
50.
Yeah.
1 cent.
You were playing 2 cents?
Yeah, we bumped it up for a little bit, and then we got a bonus or two, but it was right back down to $100.
Yeah, it just didn't pay what the smaller ones were.
Yeah, the penny version's paying higher bonuses than the 2-cent
But
was.
you gotta love the game that will do that for
Yes.
you. I mean, seriously.
Come on. Come on, Tiki.
Come on, let's show off a little bit.
Yeah. Now I could actually do both games at the same time.
That one's new. I've never seen that.
Yeah, there's another
See,
one.
This is what I was telling you about.
There's another one called Heartthrob.
Look at that.
Heartthrob.
The Heartthrob. The Heartthrob.
what it is?
The
That's what it is.
The Heartthrob is probably the best Lightning Link out right now.
I was winning on that when I went down by myself. That's what I was winning on.
I gotta
It's
find that one.
I've oh, damn. All right, we'll take a break. We'll record your bonus. Now the advantage to this bonus is all the Tikis become multipliers. They're all 2 times. So if you get 4 of them, it's 16 times your win.
Oh, okay.
So there's a minor on that one. Come on. All right, that one's decent. It's 4 times. Too bad that last reel wasn't up one more. Come on. Don't be a dud, Tiki. Yeah, it's nice when you get like 3 or 4 of the 2 times. Come on, come on. Alright, well, $3.55. It's better than nothing.
Okay, 5 spins.
Exactly. Come on. It would have been nice if I would
That would've been great.
have came back to
Switch back
recording it and it goes right to the bonus.
I'm working on it.
Yeah.
Doing the best I can for you.
Come on. Come on. Obviously, they don't care that you record here. That's the 3rd person that walked. Oh, where was that in a bonus? That would have been a really good line hit. 4 times that win. 580. That would have been a $20 hit in a bonus. Come on, balls. Come on, balls. Ah!
So close. Enough for the teasing.
Yeah. Come on, be nice. Both of you. Come on, balls. Be nice if I had a tripod stand, put it and record both games the exact same time.
Give your arm a break.
I know. My arm does get tired after long videos. Come on.
All right, Annette, get that bonus going.
Yeah. Is that your unicorn over there going off? I thought I heard it.
I can't see from here, but it does sound like
Yeah, it sounds like a bonus, but it's gonna probably be another $2. That bonus was so disappointing.
it really was. Unicorn pays, it pays well,
I
but when
know.
it misses, it's
The only downfall is super high volatility. Come on, come on.
really.
Oh, there you go. All right, pan back over to this one. All right, let's hit bonuses at the same time. Go back and
Let's
forth.
do it. Let's hit them at the same time.
Come on. Come on, all Tikis, Tikis. Come on, Tikis. What is that? All of them after nothing. Come on. Get it, Tiki. One more. Would have been nice for a re-trigger. Come on, Tiki, don't let us down. We got one more spin, Tiki, make it count. Stupid
That's
game.
painful.
All big numbers and another 460 bonus. Come on. That's the second time that happened. Come on, come on, come on. Another one. Damn it. Why does that not happen in the free spins? 8 times that. That would have been over $100. That would have been $100 in the free spins. Come on. We know you could do it, Tiki. And Sahara World, or whatever this game's called.
We bumped back up to 2 cents.
Okay, all right. Come on, come on. Oh, there it is.
Hold and spin, baby. Hold and spin.
Hold and
It's your
spin.
turn to pick.
All right, we're picking this one.
Pressure's on. How do I bump up to 2 cents?
Game menu. right, come on. What do we? All right, what do you think we should pick? I'll get your opinion. It won't change my mind, but I'll get it anyway. Left one? All right, we're sticking with the left. I was thinking left because, another good one.
All right. We made a
6
lot
free
of money
games
on
with
that
2.
last time.
Last time we hit the 200 free spins, we had all 4 reels. All right, that's a good start. Almost $10. All right, come on, put them all out at the same time. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, there you go. That's another decent spin, 21 bucks. We're at 30. Come on. All right, we'll skip the wilds for the next one. Bring them all back. Come on, come on. Wilds.
That's all right, though.
We'll take it. It's $30 more.
Out of the blue. All good.
Oh, no, now they come out. Yeah, not bad. $6 when it doesn't count in the bonus. Come on, house, come out again. We've been pretty good at picking those picks.
Yes, thank you. You all need anything?
Just a water.
Water? Annette, you need a drink? Are you drinking again?
All right, perfect. I'll get you on your way back.
Captain and Coke.
Awesome, thank you.